afternoon and welcome to another segment of Louisiana Road Trips with Shelley and Susan. Today we have Dylan Ivey, who is the Louisiana Director of SAD, Students Against Destructive Decisions.
You may have heard about the 100 Deadliest Days of Summer for teen drivers. It starts Memorial Day weekend and ends Labor Day weekend. And Dylan, can you tell us a little bit more about the 100 Deadliest Days of Summer for teen drivers?
Yeah, it's a mouthful. It really is. The 100 Deadliest Days of Summer is the time period between Memorial Day and Labor Day where we lose the majority of teens in crashes across our country. And so during this time, SAD has partnered with lots of different agencies and coalitions across the state and nation to really hone in on the fact that the #1 killer of teens in America continues to be vehicle crashes, specifically distracted and reckless driving. But it's super important that during this time we educate our young people about these dangers, because we know that they're out of school right now, they're on the roads more, they're driving more at night, and they're piling passengers in their vehicles. And so, as the number of passengers increase, the chance of, injury and even fatality increases. So it's super important that we educate them on those dangers and really hone in on that.
So we're at the midway point right now, right?
We are. We're at the midway point in the 100 Deadliest Days. We have, half the summer left before we get there, and it actually continues into the school year. So then we have to start talking about, back to school safety and that kind of thing as well. But we're halfway there, yeah.
Well, I know on the Louisiana SAD website, you've got a great social media campaign going, and the superhero theme and all the things that the kids have to do every day. And you've got traffic safety, like VIPs that have done some talking about specific topics through time.
Yes, so this year we actually decided to take a road trip approach, actually similar to kind of what y'all are doing here. And so we've traveled across the different states. Louisiana will be the last stop in this road trip, where the SAD National is going to come this way, and we're going to stop, and we'll be the last stop here and kind of have some debut things that we're going to be announced. And some exciting things are coming to Louisiana, so we're excited to kind of tell everybody what that's going to be. But we're going to wait and surprise everybody at the end of the summer for the last 100 Deadliest Days week of summer.
So they really need to stay tuned.
That's right.
That's
right.
Stay tuned to Louisiana Road Trips with Shelley and Susan, and also Louisiana SAD, to see what's coming up.
And we are so glad to be here in our state's capital, Baton Rouge. We happen to be here for a conference, and Dylan was gracious enough to meet up with us because we think this topic is very important. So we really want to encourage everybody, buckle up, every seat, every time.
Yep.
Travel safely.
Yep.
See you on the next
Bye.
road trip.